In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Flare token step by step. So the first step is to go to atomicwallet.io, then download the Atomic Wallet. You can download it on desktop or on your phone. For example, I'm going to download it on my desktop. And then once you have downloaded the Atomic Wallet, you can just open the wallet and then deposit your Flare token into your Atomic Wallet. So you can just type down Flare token here, click receive, and just copy the address. Then you can go to any exchange or any wallet that supports Flare token, and then you can send it here. And once you have a Flare token in your Atomic Wallet, you can just go here on the staking, click here on the Flare token, click stake Flare, and then type the amount of Flare token you want to stake. Now I have a available of approximately 14 Flare token here. So we also have a network fee here. So I have to pay 0.1005 Flare token, which is equivalent to this amount of USD. Now we have here the what we call the yearly yield. So I will earn 4.2% every year. And you can see it here on the equivalent amount of Flare token that you'll receive yearly. So for example, I want to stake one Flare token. Click stake one Flare. And note that once you stake your Flare token, you will receive an equivalent amount of raw Flare that you can send or unstake anytime. Now just type down your password, click confirm, and as you can see, the transaction was successful. So take note that the first rewards will arrive in approximately 3 days, and you need to claim them at least once every 90 days. Otherwise, they will expire. And then let's go back to staking here. And as you can see, I have staked my Flare token. And if you have any questions about how to stake Flare token, leave a comment below.